Hey guys, what's up? Just painting this tower. This is the antenna tower I bought off of Marketplace on Facebook. It's 3 sections. Excuse me. I got done spray painting, got something stuck in my throat. Anyway, 3 sections. This one I think is 10 foot. And over here, this is a piece I haven't cleaned up yet. The places are a little rough. You see some surface rust there. It's probably about an 8 foot. And then the top I painted a couple weeks ago. It's probably about 8 foot. So this is probably 28 foot ladder or 26 foot ladder. Not ladder, but antenna tower. Used primer on it, and then I used the green crayon. That's a paint and primer, and then here's the primer that I actually put some more primer down. Primer by crayon. And it turned out pretty good. It got dark on me, so I'll have to look at it in the morning and see if I missed any spots. I'm sure I probably did. It looks like a light spot right there. So yeah, hopefully get this in the air, put the antenna on it and get it up. Not sure what's going on, but I hear some sirens. And get this up maybe tomorrow or next day, and we'll see you guys back then.